In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Activecampaign goals with this step-by-step tutorial. Whether you're new to Activecampaign or just looking to enhance your use of its automation capabilities, this guide will help you get set up with goals quickly and effectively. To begin, head over to the Activecampaign website. You can easily find it by typing Activecampaign into your browser or following a bookmarked link. Once you're on their homepage, locate the login button at the top right of the screen. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Here, you'll need to type your account name. This is typically your unique username or the email associated with your account. After entering your account name, click the login button to access your Activecampaign dashboard. Now that you're in, navigate to the automations section. This is a crucial part of Activecampaign as it allows you to automate communications with your contacts. Once you're there, look for the Create an Automation option and click on it. You'll be presented with various templates and options. For this tutorial, select Start from Scratch. This is ideal for creating a custom automation flow tailored specifically to your needs. After selecting this, click on Continue to move forward. Now you'll need to decide what will trigger your automation. Click on Add a Start Trigger. Since we're focusing on setting up goals, type goal into the search bar and select Goal is achieved from the options. This establishes a specific endpoint for your automation based on certain conditions being met. You have the flexibility to edit these conditions to match your specific criteria or business objectives. After configuring your goal, make sure to click Save. This ensures your settings are stored and ready to be used in your automation. Once your goal is defined, you might want to add more actions to your automation. Click the plus sign to add an action. Among the options, choose Send an Email. You can select to start from an existing email, which saves time by utilizing a predefined template. Once chosen, click on Follow Up to select the type of email you would like to send once the goal is achieved. After setting up your email, click Create to finalize it. Finally, don't forget to hit Save to secure all your hard work. And there you have it, your automation is now ready and equipped with a goal-oriented approach. Using goals in Activecampaign is a powerful way to streamline your marketing efforts, ensuring that every communication is purposeful and aligns with your overarching strategies. Be sure to monitor and adjust your automation as needed to optimize performance over time. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a great day.